Hello, welcome to Postcolonial Space. I'm Masood Raja, and today I'll briefly talk about yet another aspect of developing your educational channel, and this is my second video on this topic in my series on how to establish and grow an educational channel. And today I'll briefly talk about how to add your channel description and your channel keywords. Now, the channel description is displayed under the About section of your channel. And most people would suggest that it should have some basic information geared towards your audience. First of all, what is it that your channel is about? What do you offer to your viewers? Next, what is the frequency of your uploads, right? Twice weekly, 3 times weekly. If you want to be more precise, you can even put the days there, every Monday and Saturday. That tells the audience or your potential audience that you are serious about it. And then towards the end, there is a call to action. Please subscribe. But within the content also, you want to intersperse the related keywords to your channel, right? So if you look at my channel and my description, which you'll see in a moment, it has post-colonialism, it has critical pedagogy, it has literary studies, because that is what the channel is about. But the significance of this is that when YouTube searches for content, these keywords will play an important role in the YouTube, the powers that be, pulling your content to offer it to different audiences. Then the keywords I explain in the short that comes after this are also crucial, right? And keywords are the operative keywords, the most significant keywords related to your website. In my case, it's post-colonialism, post-colonial studies, post-colonial literature, right? Post-colonial with different spellings, literary studies, critical pedagogy, because that is all that I offer on this channel, right? So do not overwhelm the system with too many keywords. Just 10 to 15 is enough. So let's see how to put this information in there, and then I'll just come back and say thank you to you. Add information to your About section of the channel, and to add your keywords, you open your channel, right? And then you go to this link, customize your channel, and click on it. You know, this is what you'll see in the main part of the page, and you click on the basic info channel where you will add your channel description. Now, as I talked about, make sure to add some operative and useful keywords there, right? And your information, your credentials, what you have to offer. All of that has to be geared towards what the users will get from this channel, but all of that goes into this box. And you want to add the keywords, you go and click on setting right here on the left. Pops up, right? And on the left are these headings. You just click on the channel link. This is the panel that comes up, and this is where you put all your keywords. Now, don't overwhelm it with too much, but just make sure that pretty much all the keywords are keywords that you have researched and that are relevant to your channel. Okay, so this was the second video in my series on giving you some information about how to establish and grow an educational channel. As I've already mentioned in my first video, I am no expert. This is all based in my experience. But I hope after watching this, you're at least clear about the significance of the description in the About section of your channel and how to put it in there, and then the importance of keywords for your channel and how to insert those keywords using the back end of your YouTube channel. That is all for now. I hope this clarifies things. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments, and I'll try to answer them. As always, stay safe, take care of yourself and each other, and I will now see you next time. Until then, peace and love.